Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and effortlessly find Instagram Reel templates to level up your content game. If you want to captivate your audience with stunning and engaging Reels, then this video is for you. I'll walk you through 2 simple methods to find high-quality templates that can help grow your Instagram profile. Be sure to stick around until the end, because the second method is the best. Let's start with the first method. Open your Instagram app and opening the Instagram Reels camera. Look for the Templates option at the bottom of the screen or when you open your gallery. If you see it, tap on it, and Instagram will show you a limited selection of templates you can use. While these are great, they might not offer enough variety. This brings us to the second, and best, method using Canva. If you don't already have Canva, download it for free on iOS or Android. Once you're logged into Canva, go to the search bar and type in Instagram Reels. Canva will display thousands of high-quality Reel templates that you can use. Most of them are free, and you can fully customize them to suit your style. Just pick a design, add your own photos and videos, tweak the text, and even adjust animations. It's that easy. And that's how you can find awesome Instagram Reel templates to create engaging content. Canva is also perfect for designing YouTube Shorts or TikToks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a comment and make sure to subscribe for more tips on Canva, social media, and other mobile apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.